Alright, substitution 2. When we substitute numbers into larger algebraic expressions, we have to use the rules of BIDMAS. In other words, we work out the brackets first, then the indices, then division sums, multiplication sums, addition sums, and finally subtraction sums. Alright, for example, if x is 8, we're going to find the value of these expressions by substituting 8 in for x. Okay, question 1. 4x plus 7. Now that means 4 times 8 and then add 7. Now then, when I'm doing a piece of algebra, I write my equals above each other. And what that lets me do is see exactly what part of the sum I'm doing first and keep up with it. Okay, by the rules of BIDMAS, m comes before a, so we're going to do the multiplication in this sum first before the addition. 4 times 8 is 32, and then we've got to remember to add the 7 onto the end of that. 32 add 7 is 39. That's where you'll get your tick. Okay, second question. 5 brackets x plus 4. Now we're going to rewrite that as 5 brackets 8 plus 4, then close off the brackets. Now then, in BIDMAS, B stands for brackets, so we're going to do these brackets first. 8 plus 4 is 12, and because there's nothing in between the 5 and the brackets, that's going to be a multiplication sum. That's 5 times 12, which is 60. There you go. That's where you get your tick. Last but not least, question 3, x over 4 plus 5. Now we have to remember that when we're doing a fraction, it means divide by the bottom number. So I'm going to rewrite this sum as 8 divided by 4 and then add 5, because D comes before A in BIDMAS. Okay, we're going to get this sum now. 8 over 4, we're going to work that out first. 8 divided by 4 is 2. And then we've still got to add the 5. 2 plus 5 is 7. That's where you get your tick. Okay, if you feel brave enough to try your questions now, please do so. Otherwise, stay with me. I'll change the value of x and we'll run through some more examples. Okay, we're going to clear these annotations. And I'm going to change the value of x. Instead of being 8, I'm going to make it 12. Okay, ready for these ones, people. If x is 12, find the value of. Alright, 4x plus 7. Now, yet again, we're going to do the multiplication first. That's going to be 4 times x, 4 times 12, and then add 7. Now then, we're doing the 4 times 12 part first, because the m's before the a in BIDMAS. 4 times 12 is 48, and then we're going to add the 7 onto it. 48 add 7 is 55. That's where you get your tick. Okay, carrying on then. 5 brackets x plus 4 is 5 lots of, what's x? X is 12, so we're going to write 12 plus 4 in the brackets. Then we're going to do another equals. Right, B in BIDMAS, that stands for brackets. We do them first of all. Okay, so we're going to have 12 plus 4, that's 16. And the 5 outside the brackets means we're multiplying 5 times 16. Well, we can think about 10 times 16 there and halve it. That's going to be 80. That's where you get your tick. Last but not least, x over 4 plus 5. It's always worth remembering that if you've got to divide by the bottom of the fraction. Okay, x over 4 plus 5. That's 12 divided by 4, and then add 5. Now then, we're going to do the 12 divided by 4 first. 12 divided by 4 is 3. And then add 5. That's 8. That's where you get your tick. All the best with your questions, ladies and gentlemen. Ask somebody if you need any help. Thank you.